Hey guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am here to welcome you back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 tips for your journal business. And number 1 is your niche, however you would like to pronounce it. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I drop a new video. I have lots of playlists located here and also on the home page of my channel. I have my courses available at gumroad.com/CinquantaCoxSmith. You can check me out every Friday on my podcast at Coins and Connections. It's available on all open podcast platforms. Also, you can check me out over on Patreon for $5 a month. You get an extra podcast episode and exclusive video with tons of extras. I have 3 different tiers that you can join. With the recent one is a BB Bay of $15 a month. You are consecutive for 4 months. You get a t-shirt from moi. So I hope you guys join me over there. So let's get into this niche research, right? So let me tell you guys, I am going to tell you guys again some of the other in my keyword and category search. I'm going to tell you some of the sites I use and extensions, but today we're going to just do good old research, right? So I know a lot of you are like, well, there's so many niches that are saturated and I can't get anything in there. I can't make any sales. You're not doing it right. There's never not something you can do. So I have a niche that I love, which is manifestation. And I know it may seem saturated. Let's check and see. Let's see. Manifestation journal. You see it already come up. So you have a few things: journal, books, journal for Black woman, crystals, workbook, journal for woman, for beginners, crystals for manifestation. So we're just going to type in manifestation journal, right? With the all search, okay, that's not bad. You get 879, right? With the book search, go down here. Come on, books. Every time I try to do something important, here go my damn hating ass computer. In books, it's 7,000, right? So you have 7,000 different affirmation journals. Jeez, right? So let's go over on Etsy. Let's see what Etsy talking about. So they have journal printables and they have journals. So let's just check out journal. Okay, we have a few here, about 482. This is in all categories. I don't think they have like a book category. But you see a lot of different things here, okay? And I was going to do Pinterest, but let's see what YouTube says. So a lot of different videos on how to journal, how to do manifestation with your journal. So it's popular, right? So let's go back. I'm going to pause this so I can sign into Pinterest real quick. All right, so on Pinterest, I want to try something different because there's lots of manifestation boards. But let's see. Manifest my home. Manifest my dream home. Let's see. So this is where you go into a different direction. So you're going to find that a lot of people have used manifestation to manifest their home, right? So how I got my dream home by using law of attraction. Manifest your dream home. Let's write that down because we said one that said manifest my dream home. Okay. Then it says manifest your dream home. These are all keywords. How I manifested my dream home. And I'm writing them down because this is how you do research. How I manifested my dream home in 3 months. That's another keyword. So she said 3 months. We manifested our dream home in 1 week. How to manifest the perfect home. So we have the perfect home. These are all keywords. Pay attention. How to manifest your key home. How to manifest your dream home. So it's a lot of manifesting your dream home, okay? So let's go over to Amazon. And we're going to type in some of those ones that, we got over there. Manifest my dream home journal. 5 results, right? So manifest my dream home got 5 results in books. It's not saturated at all. Because guess what? These aren't even targeted towards homes. It's just 5-year plans. None of these are saying anything about manifesting your dream home. None. But they show up in the search. So someone searched for it. So let's try manifest your dream home. So it says 55 search results. But let's see. What type of journals are these? This one says manifest your vision. The Secret. Look at this. Just says vision board. Nothing is tailored to manifesting the actual dream home. No one is focusing on the dream home. Listen to me again. No one is focusing on the dream home. So you know what this can do? This can go in different directions. This can go for anyone who is in the manifestation niche, and it can also be of help to realtors. Manifest real estate. So 21 research, but it's probably not, and you can play on names. So you can go into manifesting selling houses. Okay? Manifest realtor. You want to help realtors manifest their closings, how many closings they're going to get in a year. Now listen, after this video comes out, I listen, it's going to fill up quick. But yeah, so don't tell me that the manifestation niche is full, because people have videos on manifesting their dream home. Look at this. New affirmations to manifest your dream home. I manifested my dream home. Guided visualizations to manifest your dream home. Let's see if they have anything on Etsy. Probably not. But this is just letting you know that there's room for this. Manifest your dream home. There's probably nothing here for that. But that doesn't mean there's not people looking for it, because people are doing it visually, but once you match those keywords in these vision boards with the actual product, you get a niche that is bursting for someone to get in there. So who's going to be the first one to do that? This is how you have to think. Manifest your dream home. There's manifest your dream life, but nothing about really truly manifesting your dream home. So I hope y'all know I'm gonna go ahead and upload one or two or three, but I will upload one. But I want you to know that don't ever think that a niche is saturated. You just haven't found that sub niche that needs a little love. So manifesting dream homes is big everywhere else, but not as a journal yet. It could even be a shirt or merch. I'm manifesting my dream home. It could be a button, a sticker. I'm manifesting my dream home. I'm manifesting my dream home. We manifested our dream home. And then that's another one. Now you can create a journal where they can tell the story. We manifested our dream home. My family's manifestation story. So many options here. So stop saying that these niches are saturated, because I just helped you find one. So sometimes you have to take a saturated niche and find something that you know about that can be tailored to this, okay? People are manifesting babies. Manifestation is big right now. People are doing spell work. People are doing inner healing. People are saging. All of these different parts of manifestation that can be an entire niche for a business, okay? I started doing most of my manifestation stuff almost 2 years ago when I got really serious about it. So I sell a few of my manifestation journals consistently. So this is a great niche. And that's why you should join my monthly niche research, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this tip, this key tip for your journal business, which was the niche research today. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below and leave any comments, questions, or concerns. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Check out my courses on gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.